Savvy Bookkeepers, if you're ready to elevate your presence and influence, this one's for you. This episode dives into how to sidestep the drama, rise into leadership, and position yourself as the go-to professional in any room. Let's talk about the 3 moves that will change how you show up and how you're remembered. Because people that don't remember you can't very well refer you, can they? Let's start with the truth. Drama is everywhere, in business groups, online circles, even in your client relationships. But you don't have to engage. In fact, drama only survives when we give it energy. And as you've heard me say time and time again, there is simply no room for drama in business. Sidestepping it is a skill set, though, and it needs to be honed. It's about choosing clarity over chaos and purpose over pettiness. It doesn't mean you're cold, it means you're clear. You protect your peace so that you can protect your power. And your professional reputation, it hinges on how you behave when the temperature rises. Remember, your subordinates are watching, and so are your clients. It's a lot like parents and children. The little ones are watching everything. Rising into leadership doesn't require a title, it requires intention. Start by modeling what calm confidence looks like. Be the one who brings the focus back to solutions. Ask better questions, listen without judgment, and take the high road even when it's really steep. As they say, you need to get comfortable being uncomfortable. And in this case, being uncomfortable means often not being liked. And that's a hard one for a lot of people pleasers, but leadership isn't about being liked. It's about being respected. And respect is built when people can trust your energy, even in the tense times. When all is said and done, value speaks louder than volume. You want to stand out? Don't outtalk, outserve. Share a shortcut, offer a system, make someone's life easier. When others spiral, you stay steady. When others complain, you contribute. That's how savvy bookkeepers lead and why they get remembered and, more importantly, get referred. People don't forget the person who made their lives better. So if you're ready to sidestep the noise, rise with intention, and lead with real value, you're already walking the Maven path. Remember, you don't need a spotlight to be seen, you just need substance. So sidestep the drama because there's no room for drama in business. Rise into leadership and always add value. If this informed you in some way, enlightened you just a little bit, please like, share, and hit the reminder bell so that you don't miss what's coming next. Because as always, if you've got another 4 minutes, we've got another episode. Up next, before you go getting your LLC. That sounds like an exercise in due diligence heading our way. We'll see you there.